Steep meaning pronunciation steep. Steep refers to something that has a sharp incline or slope, like a hill or mountain. It can also describe a process or change that happens very quickly or intensely, often in a sudden or extreme manner. Simple meaning. Steep equals one sharp incline or slope. 2. Something intense or sudden. Common uses. 1. Steep adjective, physical. A sharp or abrupt slope, especially of a hill or mountain. Example. The mountain trail was so steep that it was difficult to climb. 2. Steep verb. To soak something, usually in liquid, to extract flavors or nutrients. Example. He steeped the tea leaves in hot water for a few minutes. 3. Steep adjective, figurative. Referring to something that increases rapidly or becomes extreme in a short amount of time. Example. The steep rise in prices caused many people to struggle financially. 4. Steep verb, figurative. To intensify or make something more extreme. Example. The tension in the room steeped as the argument went on. Examples daily use sentences. 1. The hill was too steep for the bike to climb easily. 2. The tea needs to steep for about 5 minutes to get the best flavor. 3. The steep cost of living in the city made it hard for young people to stay. 4. The steep drop in temperatures caught everyone by surprise. 5. He steeped the herbs in boiling water to make a natural remedy. Steep is often used to describe something with a sharp incline, like a mountain or hill. It can also describe something that happens suddenly or intensely, like a steep rise in prices or emotions,